Do you want to tell me a bit more about what your thoughts were before the training?
Yeah, so I really wanted to do it, and I wanted somebody to tell me that'd be okay, but I did think I would be too old. Too old and not good enough at yoga. Also, it's the brain fog thing, like it's when you get like to menopausal or perimenopause and stuff, your mind is just like so different. You've always had a really good job and being able to take on loads of responsibility. And then all of a sudden, you just can't remember. And I thought I wouldn't be able to take in the course.
And then what was the reality of it when you actually came to the course?
So everybody told me that I was fine, and you told me I was fine. And the reality was that you do have time to take it in, and then you have time to do it in a different way, and that you teach it in a different way. We did like the skeleton, then you'd write it on the board, then you'd write it on the clipboard, then we had our books, and then we had our manuals. So there was like lots of different ways to be able to take it in.
That makes me very happy. And then, yeah, tell me a bit more about your teaching since graduating.
Okay, so again, the dual finding it's still a little bit hard for memory. So, like this morning, I've just been preparing my Wednesday night class because I like to write it all out. And so now, today and tomorrow, I'll practice that class. And so, yeah, so I'm doing that learning still, but at home beforehand. And that's just like my personal choice that I've got time. Yeah, it's just really nice. It's really nice. Honestly, I drive in my car. I just think, hey, but it's not. Is it called attendant? I've never ever had. All my working life, I've either worked for my husband or like supported him in all the stuff that he's done, and then just like fallen into jobs and then just tried to make the best of it. And this is the only thing that I ever truly really wanted to do. And as well, I teach like 40-year-olds, 50-year-olds, 60-year-olds. They've never ever done yoga in their life, ever. There's masses of people out there who just never done yoga. I do a community class for a Monday night. Every single person never ever done yoga. Ever.
Wow.
And so they've got nothing to compare to. I just think they see me as being a bit more approachable and stuff.
So, what would you say to somebody who's considering becoming a yoga teacher, but they feel like they might be too old to do it?
But well, I don't think anybody's too old really. They, I think you've just got to go for it. Because otherwise, you're never going to know how you're going to want that thing. You're always going to wonder, what if you did it? I definitely, I'm really glad I did it. Like, I hadn't done, I think I'd probably just had that little bit all the time when it just made me so much happier.